Thank you, voters, for passing the 2017 bond, allowing Federal Way Public Schools to update aging facilities to better improve the learning environments for our scholars. We are hard at work on these projects and have hit several milestones. Mirror Lake, Lake Grove, and Wildwood Elementary have hosted community forums on proposed facility designs. Forma Construction was approved as general contractor, construction manager for the project. Thomas Jefferson High School hosted community forums on proposed facility designs. Cornerstone General Contractors were approved as general contractor, construction manager for the project. Federal Way Public Schools is in the process of hiring the general contractor, construction manager for the Star Lake Elementary and Totem Middle School projects. Join us for a bond update meeting on October 24th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Totem Middle School cafeteria. The State Environmental Policy Act, or SEPA, process is ongoing. Public comment is open for Mirror Lake, Wildwood, and Lake Grove Elementary through October 23rd. Visit fwps.org/SEPA for more information. Stay informed on these school projects. For more information, visit our website, call or email us, or sign up for our e-newsletter.